Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is vlog day 4 of being down in Ocean City, Maryland. And if you guys haven't seen my previous 3 vlogs of being down here, I will leave them all linked down below. You should definitely go watch day 1, 2, and 3 because they were all filled with fun events. But for today, it is actually the last day that we have for the hotel. We have to be checked out by 11 o'clock and it's currently 11, so we checked out. Everything is packed. That's what I spent my morning doing. So I didn't eat anything. I'm really hungry. Probably gonna go get some breakfast. But yeah, we're all ready to go. And literally this morning, like last minute when we woke up, we decided that we want to stay for another night, but not at this hotel because everything in Ocean City, literally every single hotel and everything is booked. So we decided that we were gonna stay in Rehoboth because they had availability. So your dad booked a room in Rehoboth, so that's like 30 minutes down the way. It's in Delaware, and I actually like that it's in Rehoboth instead of Ocean City because when we leave from that place tomorrow, we'll already be 30 minutes into the drive, so that's great. Check-in at Rehoboth isn't until 3 o'clock, it's now 12, so we're gonna go get some food, and we're also gonna do the Assateague Adventure before we leave Ocean City because we were actually going to do this a couple days ago and then it started like raining a little bit, so it got canceled. And
maybe at 2:30.
Yeah, so we're gonna have that at 2:30, and then by the time that's over, it'll be perfect timing for us to head to Rehoboth and leave Ocean City to go to our next hotel for tonight.
Oh.
Okay. We just ate at this place called Mr. Duck, and it's right across from the place that we ate 2 days ago at the Angler, and we did that dinner cruise here, like by the dock. So we're down there, and then we also have that thing, that boat ride.
Assateague Island.
Assateague Island, whatever it's called.
That takes about an hour.
At like 2:30, so yeah, that'll be about like an hour?
Yeah, hour and like 15 minutes.
What even is that? I don't even know what it is. I think it's like you take like a boat ride, a short boat ride to like an island that has like horses and stuff, and you could like catch things in the water and walk around and something like that. I don't know, it seems really cool. And we're gonna do that at 2:30. We have an hour left. It's now 1:15, so not sure what we're gonna do until then. Probably not gonna go too far like to the boardwalk or anything because we're already like here. Food was really good. I got a grilled chicken sandwich with mayonnaise, which is new from what I usually get. I usually just get chicken fingers. I cannot record in the actual restaurants usually. This whole vlog I always just did like non-copyrighted music over because they always play really loud music like in the shops and stuff on the boardwalk. When we go out to eat, there's always music, so yeah, I don't include nothing but montages of those clips. We're just sitting over the dock waiting for the boat to arrive. It's now like 2 o'clock, so we only have like 30 more minutes left, and the boat's already back, so it might actually be early. It's kind of windy out right now, like low-key a little bit cold.
No, it feels nice.
No, I hate the breeze.
It's what?
Like even if it's a hot breeze, like I just want
It only says
pure
70
sun.
degrees out. It's more than that. It's like 90.
Nah, it probably feels like 90, but it is kind of cold. No, I was laying down on the wood earlier because I was just soaking up the sun tanning. This island is different from what I thought it would be. It's literally like a little strip that you walk on. You could like take nets to fish and scoop stuff out of the water.
Oh.
It's cold. I'm not gonna catch that thing.
They probably got stuck. They couldn't get out.
That was a way different experience than I thought. We had 15 minutes to do whatever on the island, and then we are now back on the boat, about to go back to the dock. Me and Darren didn't catch nothing but seaweed. If you caught something, if it was alive, you have to put it back, but if it's dead, you could have taken it home. There was so much seaweed, and I hate seaweed, but sometimes there's like ponies and stuff, but that's usually like over, like back there. Okay guys, I'm fine.
But nobody wants to cut.
camouflage. These don't have any commercial value. We don't catch them around here.
It's almost 4 o'clock. We just docked and got off and everything's situated now. It's perfect timing because, like I said earlier, check-in is at 3 o'clock. So we are ready to go to Rehoboth. We're probably gonna hit the shops down there. And I don't know about jet skis anymore just because the age limit and everything.
So we just arrived at the hotel and Tori just woke up. So my dad's gonna go check in and then we're gonna go to the outlets. Tori slept good.
We're now at the shops and they have a Michael Kors in the outlets, which if you guys don't know, it's like my favorite designer brand. And I'm probably not gonna buy anything just because they're not expensive, but we're on the one side of the Tanger Outlets and the other side has like Nike and other stuff like that, Forever 21. Yeah, so we're waiting for the other side. The only good thing over here is Michael Kors in pink. So we might go in those a little later. Last time I was here, I waited in like a 25-minute line just to get into Forever 21. So hopefully the lines aren't as bad right now. Like it's kind of late and they're closing at like 7. I think it's like 5:30 right now. We were just in Pink and Victoria's Secret and I just didn't find anything. They were having really good sales, super cute stuff. I am obsessed with like the bling straps, but I don't know, they're just still really expensive and I don't need anything, so I thought might as well not buy it. And I also just found out that some of the stores close earlier, like the Nike outlet that he wanted to go to closed at 6, not 7, so yeah, Michael Kors was already closed, so this is basically the only shop I wanted to go to over here. It's currently almost 7 o'clock and we stopped at Cracker Barrel to eat, and as you can tell by the time, it is too late to go to any more of the outlet stores. So yeah, we're going to get something to eat, and it was a 30-minute wait, and Cracker Barrel has like a little mini store before you actually walk into the restaurant. And you know, I was just looking around and his mom happened to find these shoes and I was like, oh my god, like look at these. They are so like much blingier in person, if that's a word. I don't know, they shine so much. And yes, I know I already have a pair of rhinestone slides, but as I was unpacking them, I literally brought them with me. As I was unpacking them to wear them, I realized that right here broke like halfway, so it's like about to rip if I wear them anymore. So yeah, these are a size 9. I'm usually a size 7, but they fit. If you can see, they look really small. They're so cute. The original $30 and they came down to $18. It is currently 8:15 and we just finished up eating all of our meals. I got breakfast because I actually didn't have breakfast this morning, and sometimes breakfast hits different later at night.
I got the fried chicken platter. It's like chicken with gravy on top. And I got hash brown casserole with carrots and fried apples.
Was it good? Now we're gonna head back to the hotel. How long of a drive is it from here?
30 minutes, because we're in Rehoboth.
This vlog wasn't really that interesting. Like, we didn't do a whole bunch and it might not even be long enough to make a vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna put in tomorrow morning's footage.
Maybe tomorrow we'll go to the outlets while everything's open.
Yeah, honestly, that'd be way better because today, like, the stores were closing. We literally went to one store and that's not really a vlog. So I might vlog tomorrow if we end up going to the outlets. Regardless, I'm gonna vlog my morning and then maybe do an outro in the morning if we do end up leaving in the morning. It is the next morning and it's a bit early. It's like 9:30 and we are actually staying at the hotel that me and my sister did when we came down here. The Microtel. It's a really nice place, and yeah, it was just for one night, so we have to check out by 11 this morning, and they do have complimentary breakfast here. So I got a bagel with some cream cheese and he got a sausage egg muffin.
Yeah, on a muffin.
And we're currently down at the car right now because I wanted to take a shower since I do have like a couple hours until we have to leave. So my hair is a mess. I slept with it in a bun last night, and yeah, I'm just gonna get all ready. They also have complimentary makeup remover, which is great because if you guys watch my other vlogs, you would know that I forgot to bring makeup wipes. So I'm wearing your shoes. He's not wearing no shoes. This would be be perfect to use here because if there's an outlet right here, then here's why. I'm all showered and ready to go. I also brought my book bag in. Nobody brought their stuff in, but I needed my shampoo and conditioner. Then I realized I needed like a whole new outfit and stuff. So, yeah, I just brought in my bag. So we're going back now. It's like 10:30. Also, you guys, I forgot my hairbrush this whole trip. You can imagine how bad it would be if you didn't brush your hair for 4 days straight. And I ended up brushing it with my fingers in the shower and it low-key worked. Like, my hair is not knotted anymore. We're stopping here first for some gas and food. I've never heard of this place. There's none in PA, but I've seen a lot of them. I think it's like a Maryland Sheets or something. I just got a light snack because it's kind of lunchtime and he's over here drinking orange voltage Mountain Dew. Like, so a whole literally like 40 minutes later, I don't even know what time it is anymore. We are down by the boardwalk, and I say by and not at because we have a really far walk from where we parked because there was no parking anywhere. The traffic was literally crazy. I also braided my hair in the car because I was bored, but now we're gonna have a very, very long walk to the boardwalk. Thank God there's like shops and stuff along the way. I've never been here before. I've never even heard of it. I don't even know what this is called. This looks so cute. It's like a little alleyway of shops. Oh my god. Oh, Darren, do you see those pink ones? Oh my god. Grande pink drink, 2 scoops vanilla bean powder, double blended. They spelled my name wrong, but it's for him. It's really good. So I actually never recorded a proper outro for this video because I just stopped recording once we got to the car after eating Starbucks, and that's when we started to head home. So yeah, it was about a 3-hour drive and I just fell asleep in the car, so I just didn't record when I got home because it was kind of late, so I wanted to unpack and everything, and then I just ended up falling asleep and forgetting about it, and I'm just now realizing it while I'm editing. Today's vlog wasn't really like the most interesting just because it was the day that we're leaving, so we didn't want to like do too much or get involved in anything that would like be a long time or anything because we did want to get home before, you know, like midnight. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below where your dream vacation would be. If you could go anywhere in the world right now, where would it be? Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.